Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel Woman of Beauty India. This is me, your artist Farah Charan. Hope you're all doing great and some of you have joined my weight loss journey. If you have happened to try the weight loss pattern as discussed with you all, please write down and let me know because I'll be more than happy to know or have an update about your weight loss journey as well. As you all know already, this is a 365 days 50 kgs weight loss challenge which I have started from January 1st 2021, and this journey is not gonna be easy for sure because as the days will go by my body might adapt to certain food patterns for which I'll have to give shocks to my body कि भाई you have to lose weight whatsoever in life. Honestly speaking, I would have never been able to think of doing this as a documenting it for you guys, but it's just challenge or motivation to me to start off by discussing it with you all, and that how much devoted and dedicated will I be to the fact that I am sharing it with you all. So I have to be responsible to motivate people, and I should not be doing something that will not make me feel good about it or make you all feel bad about it. So yeah, my elder sister was pushing me to finally thought about it, and I was like, okay, fine, I will do it. Let's just start the journey. Now, talking about the journey, you all very well know that it is a 365 days journey with 50 kgs as the weight loss target, and it is not gonna be easy. Let me tell you one thing, many people have a lot of dreams. They want to attain spirituality, they want to attain peace, they want to focus on meditation, they want to read a certain set of books, they want to go to a certain set of lifestyle, but all this thing is possible only if you are devoted to it. If you are not devoted to it, nothing will actually lead you to wherever you want in your life. It is purely your devotion, your dedication, your motivation that will push you forward to your dreams. Like I decided that I have to lose weight, not because I am healthy, like I'm very heavy now right now, but because I was shocked. When I was in Paris in the year 2015-16, I used to weigh 76 kgs, and from 76 kgs to 2020 and I have reached 100 kgs, which is nothing to be proud about. But like I decided that okay, I will now go through with the challenge of discussing my lifestyle with you all so that I do not end up gaining more weight, because I have got PCOD problem, I have got uric acid problem, I have got fatty liver problem, no doubt in that. But honestly, my major problem is overeating. So, and I'm doing nothing, I eat. If I'm doing something, I eat. So like those habits needs to be broken down into patterns of consuming the healthy things. My very first pattern of consuming the healthy thing is drinking water. That is the most essential part of your body. If you're very well hydrated, you will not feel the urge to eat anything. How much ever angry you are, how much ever frustrated you are with situations in life, just go and drink water. You will really see how peaceful you will feel after drinking that amount of water. I have ended up drinking like 2 liters of water in like 10 minutes because I'm angry. But it works wonderfully. Apart from water, when you are angry, go for walk. Best solution, go for walk. Or sit down and start doing breathing exercises. Lie down and listen to meditation songs. There are many things there are many alternatives that you can opt for rather than going and eating everything that is possible junk food. which can get deposited in your body. And it's not even harmful to your body. It's not that how you're eating it, so it's doing good to you to find that yaar khana acha hai, theek hai. But no, it's not doing any good to you. Na? The problem is that. That's when you are diet. Now moving up with the diet factor, it's day 20. For the past 10 days, I have started eating only 3 portions in my food. But starting with my day, it's hot water, not lukewarm water. It's hot water with honey and chopped garlic, with a plate full of fruits. Presently we are having papayas, strawberries, banana and peru. We even love eating watermelon, but presently with the present situation, I don't think it is right choice to go for watermelon, the health situation. After this we have 2 eggs with a slice of cheese, followed with a cup of coffee with 1 teaspoon of sugar this time. At 1:30 when I feel hungry, I generally go and eat my food. Now my food has 3 portions. There were 4 portions last time: rice, salads, curd, and whatever vegetable was cooked. Now I have removed rice as the option. Now it is curd, salads, vegetables. That is what I am eating, and it is very filling, very heavy. Trust me, you will not feel hungry. And I again go and drink my coffee with 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then dinner is again the same. If I am hungry at 5 o'clock still, then I'll go and have dry fruit. After my dinner, I will have 1 hot glass of hot water and then go off to sleep. I want to change my sleep habits. I want to try and sleep by 11, but I don't know when will it start. We are trying our best, but yeah. Try and sleep early so that you do not happen to go and binge in the night, because रात के 11 साढ़े 11 बजते and you will feel very hungry. Even I feel very hungry. So I drink water. I have fruit maybe if I'm hungry. But try and sleep early. That will help you work out the things otherwise. Now comes to the confession part. Okay, so I broke my fasting. I broke my diet on 3 back-to-back days. So the first day was when my sister got a car. I was like, I need cake. So we called for cheesecake slice. But the slice was more than enough to put on the amount of fats in your body. After that, the following day, my sister was like, let's go and have chaat. I was like, fine, let's go and have chaat. We went to eat chaat. From there, she was like, let's go and take jalebi. I was like, okay, let's go and take jalebi. So we went to eat jalebi and naan chap. And so that was my second day of diet break. And I think it was day before. Yeah, I think it was day before when we went to have. No, it was yesterday when my mom sent across chicken with potatoes cutlet along with bread, that is pav. And I was like eating it. I was very happy eating it. I had it like in about 10 minutes, 2-3 cutlets and pav. And followed where we went to Bacha Cold House and had chocolate milkshake. Followed with raspberry ice cream. I had my sister ka bhi aadha ice cream, so I had 1.5 ice cream. And yeah, that is the only cheating I did. But I still see my dress lose some fine. I'm okay, fine, ठीक है, पूरा दिन नहीं खाती हो तो अगर थोड़ा इधर उधर हो रहा है तो it's not affecting me. But don't get motivated with this कि वो पूरा दिन नहीं खाएंगे तो अगर हम बाद में खाएंगे तो कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. फ़र्क पड़ता है, वो अभी नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा मुझे, बाद में मालूम पड़ेगा. I am not gonna do any cheating for next 10 days because I have to stand up on the weighing scale and show you all okay what the weight loss is. But since I am sharing with you all everything, I felt it's essentially required that I share with you all the fact that I have cheated also, or I have broken my dieting pattern also. But it is in a good way. Since I'm not eating anything fattening and everything, so it's getting cut down very easily. And of course, I drink water, lots of water through the day. So if I'm hungry, water. Hungry, water. Hungry, water. Very hungry, then food. That is the rule. Hungry, water, hungry, water, hungry, water. Very hungry, then only food. Otherwise, water. Okay, guys? I'm really excited to stand on the weighing scale in the coming week and to see what is the result of it. But honestly speaking, it's even encouraging, and at the same time it's like nervous, giving me a nervous feeling. Okay, what will my weight be on the weighing scale? But yeah, let's see. I'm excited to see. I hope it is 95. I hope it is 95. And yeah, in the meanwhile, you guys can rest and chill out. Please start doing the diets that I'm talking about. You will enjoy it seriously. You will enjoy it thoroughly, and you will be able to see the results. Okay guys, I'll take your leave now. Thank you so much for joining in. If you have liked the video, please like it if you and subscribe my channel for regular updates. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.